Hello and welcome to How to Play Sheepshead, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Sheepshead. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 5 players. To play, you will need a 32 card deck, aces down to the 7s in each suit. Each player is dealt 6 cards, 3 cards at a time. 3 cards to each player, then 2 cards to the middle, then 3 more cards to each player. Sheepshead is a trick-taking game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking trump card will win the trick. If no trump card was played, the winner of the trick is the player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The trump cards are all the queens, jacks, and diamonds. The trump cards are ranked with the queens being the highest, then the jacks. Within the queens and jacks, the clubs are highest, then the spades, hearts, diamonds. Then the cards are ranked ace, 10, king, 9, 8, and 7. Within the non-trump suited cards, the rank is ace, 10s, kings, 9s, 8, 7. The object of the game is to win 61 or more card points in a round. Card points are awarded based on the value of cards won in the tricks taken. The total points possible by cards is 120 each round. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer has the first option to take the 2 cards in the middle and become the picker. A player should become the picker if they think they can win 61 or more card points in the round. Player 2 passes on picking. The option moves left to player 3. Player 3 will take the 2 cards in the middle and becomes the picker. Player 3, as the picker, will get a partner for the round. The picker and the partner's card points are combined. The other 3 players are on a team for the round and will combine their card points. To pick a partner, the picker will call a non-trump ace in a suit that matches a non-trump card in their hand. Player 3 has a club, heart, and spade, but already holds the ace of clubs. Player 3 can pick the ace of hearts or the ace of spades as a partner. Player 3 chooses the ace of hearts. Player 5 has the ace of hearts and becomes the partner, but does not make this known. All other players will not know who the partner is until the ace of hearts is played into a trick. After a partner is picked, 2 cards are buried by the picker. These 2 cards count towards the picker's card point total. Player 3 will bury the ace of clubs and the king of spades. The player left of the dealer leads the first trick. Player 2 leads the trump-suited 9 of diamonds. Each other player must follow the lead suit by playing a trump card if possible. Player 3 follows suit by playing the trump-suited queen of clubs. Players 4, 5, and 1 all follow suit. Player 3 wins the trick with the highest ranking card. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 3 leads the trump-suited 8 of diamonds. Player 4 cannot follow suit and can play any card. Player 4 plays the 7 of clubs. Player 5 follows suit with the 7 of diamonds. Player 1 follows suit with the trump jack of spades. And player 2 follows suit with the jack of diamonds. Player 1 wins with the highest ranking card. Player 1 leads the next trick with the 10 of hearts. Player 2 cannot follow suit and plays the trump-suited jack of hearts. Player 3, 4, and 5 all follow suit. Player 5 plays the ace of hearts, and now every player knows that player 5 is the partner. Player 2 wins the trick with the highest ranking card. Player 2 leads the next trick, and the round continues until all cards have been played. At the end of the round, players will count the card points won during the round, plus the picker adds the cards buried at the beginning of the round. The picker, player 3, has 63 card points. The partner, player 5, has no points during the round. But as a team, player 3 and player 5 got over the 61 card points needed to win the round. The other players combined for a total of 57 card points. Players will receive game points based on the amount of cards won during the round by the picker and partner. In the previous round, the picker and partner combined for 63 points. The picker, player 3, gets 2 points. The partner, player 5, gets 1 point. All other players each lose 1 point. The game can be played until a player gets to an agreed upon amount or until an agreed upon amount of rounds have been played. A Sheepshead quick guide is available through the link in this video's description. Use the guide to help you learn as you play. A player must follow the lead suit if possible. Remember that all queens, jacks, and diamonds are considered the trump suit. The non-trump ace called for a partner can only be played when the corresponding suit has been led or it is the last trick of the round. A variation can be played where the player with the jack of diamonds is the partner instead of the picker calling an ace. The player with the jack of diamonds does not make it known until it is played into a trick. That wraps up How to Play Sheepshead. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.